I will make you know about the third problem. So we entered into the 12th video. Already we have discussed the previous videos. 2 marks questions, very important 2 marks questions. First two 2 marks questions that are from lesson 1 physical world, and from lesson 2 the units and measurements, and from lesson 3 the motion in a straight line. So these 3 lessons carries 2 marks. That means we can get 6 out of 6 marks. So we already discussed in a motion and straight line lesson the 4 marks question, and we jumped from the question series to this problem series. That means we have to concentrate both on the problems and the questions. So we have to concentrate both problems and questions in order to get 60 out of 60 marks. So in this view I have started the problems in our series. So let us start our session. So we have already completed the 3, that means the 2 problems now in the third question. That means the problem. Let us start, but in order to get started, please once again check if you have subscribed my channel or not, and keep the bell icon in all option. So in order to get the notification for our every video uploading. So you like friends and share with your friends, comment your opinion on my video. So starting, the problem is the distance of a galaxy from Earth is of the order of 10 power 25 meters. Here clearly we can understand that here are 2 points. That means if you understand this is the Earth point and here is the galaxy, the distance between the galaxy and Earth is 10 to the power of 25 meters. As it is the space and it is the galaxy, so much of distance will be there present. So it is written in the powers of 10. So 10 to the power of 25 meters. And we can already know that Earth and the galaxy distance is 10 to the power of 25 meters. The question is, calculate the order of magnitude of the time taken by light to reach us from galaxy. That means the light which we can estimate that the light is thrown. That means light is drawn from the Earth to galaxy. That means the speed of the light we can know simply blindly. We can know the problem is very simply completing. So we can note that the speed of light is 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. Very simple bit which we can remember in smaller classes and to big classes. So firstly we have to write the distance. So the distance is equal to 10 to the power of 25 meters. And speed of light, mainly we have to write the speed of light. Speed of light is represented by c, and speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So or meter second inverse. So this c, that means the light travels always in the straight line, like rectilinear. That means light cannot deviate until it touches to a surface. As it is the space, there is no surface included, so light travels in a straight line path. And straight line path speed is also known as that means shortest distance is known as v, that means velocity. So speed of light is also considered as velocity, and distance is as usual the distance. And we can write the formula for velocity, that is displacement by time. So displacement by time. Here we can know that time is equal to, when we subject the time is equal to displacement by velocity. So time is known as here missing object, and distance is 10 to the power of 25 meters, and v velocity, that means speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So it is well known bit and it is a important bit also for competitive examinations. So we have to substitute the following. T equal to displacement. Displacement means the distance. So the distance between Earth and galaxy, that is 10 to the power of 25. 10 to the power of 25 meters. Very simple, friends. And here velocity, that means speed of light, that is very important bit. I make it down, and 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter second inverse. So here meter and meter will be cancelled. T equal to, so here 1 by 3. So it is in the denominator, so we can separate. It is 1 by 3, and from the exponents values, 10 to the power of 25 by 10 power 8 as a power m by a power n, a power m minus n if m is greater than n. So 10 to the power of 25 minus 8. So here we can complete. T equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 value. 1 by 3 value, do you know? So I will write it. So 3 zeros, 0 here, and we can write 0.39, and here also comes 1, 0, here 3. So from the significant figures question, that means from units and measurement chapter, we can round up the value. So 0.34. So here the value is 0.34 into 25 minus 8 is here 10 to the power of 17. Therefore time equal to 10 to the power of, that means 0.34 into 10 to the power of 17 seconds. So thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Hope you like it.